So have you ever seen these frames on people's profile photos open to work or hiring? If you're wondering how to add it, I'm going to show you how to add it. And also if you have it, maybe you've got a job, maybe you're no longer hiring anymore and you want to remove it, you can also delete it from your profile. So if you're on the home page of LinkedIn, you see a little image of you in the top right hand corner. It says me. You click on that and you click view profile. So you go to your profile page and then you click on your profile to yeah, so that's my cover story. So don't worry about that. Even if you have a cover story on, and I'll be doing another video to show you how to add cover stories. So you click on that, you click on your profile image and it'll say view or edit profile photo, view profile video, which I have, and then it says add frame. So let's click on add frame and it gives you several options. So you could choose a hiring frame, looking to hire, get this frame by sharing with all LinkedIn members that you're hiring. Okay, and then it says frame is visible to all LinkedIn members. So let's start with that. I've actually never added a frame before because when I was looking for a job, they didn't have these frames available on LinkedIn, which was years ago. And I've never used a frame for hiring either because they didn't have the hiring frame when I was looking to hire people for my organization. So let's click on apply. And then it'll say select company. It's taking a little while. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So I just select, say, Nyna Caputi, which is my company. And then it says add the title you're hiring for. So let's say virtual assistant. Just going to do that for now. I read. Okay. And then job location. I don't know if it allows me to do. You can now choose. Oh, you can now choose hybrid as a workplace. So actually, I'm going to do remote and country or state. It doesn't matter. So I'm wondering if I just leave that blank and then it'll be contract. It does want me to see country and state. So I'm just going to say United States because that's where I live. Okay, and then next. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to see if it works. Okay, and hopefully, so and then I'm going to remove it. So I do post job. Okay, we added a guide to help you. So it's not letting me do that right now. I just wanted to see what's edited before continuing. I'm just going to say testing. Let's see. Okay. The minute I add my own content, it allows me to post a job. So I do post a job. Okay. And then it says free job posted. So I'm just going to do continue and you can see. Okay. It's taking me to let me go back to my profile. Hopefully it's still on my profile and yeah, let me get out of that. So you can see I have the hiring frame. It disappeared for a few minutes. I have no idea why. That could be oh yeah. Okay, so now I have that, but I'm currently not hiring. So I'm just going to click on it and then I'm going to do edit frame. And I'm just going to do my original and click apply. Are you sure you want to remove this frame and the jobs you've showcased on profile? Actually, before that, let's see where it shows the job. This might be of interest to people. So I'm just going to do cancel, get out of this. What's not going to let me do that? Maybe let me open another LinkedIn tab. As you can see, some of these features I'm aware of, but because I've never used a hiring frame before, I'm learning along with you, which is fun. So let me see if it shows up in my my page, my company page, Nyna Caputi. Let's see what it says, whether the job shows up over there. It doesn't. All right, but that I think should be another video, but what happens when you add hiring? For now, I want to just remove it. So I'll say, are you sure you want to discard? Oh, sorry. So let me go back in edit frame, click on the original, apply, remove. So are you sure you want to remove this frame and the jobs you have showcased on profile? Oh, it says on profile. Let me see if it's showing it on the profile. Cancel, get out of this. It's not letting me. So let me go down here and see, is it showing it on this profile? It isn't. So Again, I'm not going to waste your time because today's tip was on how you can add or remove a frame. So I'm going to do edit frame, and I'm just going to go to the original, apply, remove frame, and let me refresh, and hopefully the frame would have disappeared. Maybe it takes a while. Oh yeah, so there. And then you can do the same thing. If you're looking for a job, you could do the same thing. You could choose a frame. So let's click on this again, and you can do add frame and open to work, apply. And then again, what kind of work? LinkedIn keeps updating this. It gives you so many, what kind of job you're looking for, hybrid, remote, I'm actively applying, I'm casually browsing. So it gives you all these amazing options, which you can add. So when recruiters see that you are open to work, I'm sure it gives them more details as well. All right, so that is how you can add or remove a frame. And maybe in the future, LinkedIn will add more frames. Maybe the frame will be for, entrepreneurs, because usually open to work, I think, means you're looking for a job, but hopefully they'll add, entrepreneur looking for more jobs. I don't know. I know people have been creating frames for LinkedIn on their, personally, and adding it to their profile. Again, I don't know how LinkedIn works. I don't know if they're going to make that like, if they're going to allow it, but I think since it's part of people's personal profiles, it's okay. But hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comments section. And again, I always enjoy sharing my tips with you and also learning along with you, because there's always something new to learn on LinkedIn. I thought adding a frame was simple, and now they've added all these additional things, which is really cool too, because I think it helps you optimize, what you want to be known for, and reach your target audience.